Dein Verhalten hat mir gezeigt, dass du genauso bist, wie ich dachte. Ich habe dir nie irgendwas vorgespielt. Ich war die ganze Zeit ehrlich zu dir. Und ich bin es auch, die zutiefst verletzt wurde.
Let me hold you for the last time. It's the last chance to feel again. But you broke me, now I can't feel anything. When I love you and so untrue, I can't even convince myself. When I'm speaking, it's the voice of someone else. Oh, it tears me up. I try to hold on, but it hurts too much. I try to forgive, but it's not enough to make it all okay. You can play our broken strings. You can feel anything that your heart don't want you to feel. I can tell you something that ain't real, or the truth is the last word. How can I give any more when I love you a little less than before?
Weißt du noch, was ich gesagt
Let
habe?
me hold you for the last time. It's the last chance to feel again.
Also ich jedenfalls.